You have heard the same tired advice 1,000 times. You need to invest, start early, compound interest. It sounds simple until you actually try to do it. You open a modern brokerage app on your phone. Suddenly, you are drowning in a sea of confusing acronyms. Stocks, ETFs, options, bonds, mutual funds, index funds, dividend stocks, REITs. Your head starts to spin. You feel like a fool for not knowing the difference. You close the app and put your phone away. You tell yourself a very comfortable lie. Maybe next month when I finally understand it better. Maybe when I have more money saved up. Next month quickly becomes next year. Next year becomes 5 years of total silence. You are still sitting on the sidelines watching others. Your money earns 0.5% in savings. Inflation is eating your future every single day. How long have you been meaning to start? Look at Daniel. He is 32 years old. He has known he should invest since age 25. Daniel has $8,000 sitting in his savings. He has watched 50 YouTube videos on finance, yet he has not invested a single dollar. If he started at age 25, he has wealth. $8,000 at 8% becomes massive. By age 65, he has $188,000. But Daniel waited until age 32. Now look at the cost of his fear. At age 65, he only has $109,000. That is a $79,000 gap, lost from one single decision to wait. Fear did not protect him. Fear robbed him. He was scared of losing a few $100s. Instead, he lost nearly $80,000 in growth. Doing nothing is statistically your most dangerous financial move. I am giving you a specific manual today. You will see exactly which buttons to click now. By the end, you will have instructions to fund it. You will know how to make deposits automatic. No more guessing or wasting time on the sidelines. We are ending your financial paralysis in this session. Fear of the stock market is completely irrational. The cost of doing nothing is a mathematical certainty. You are guaranteed to lose purchasing power in cash. The market fluctuates, but cash only goes down. Stop treating your savings account like a safety net. It is a slow-motion trap for your retirement years. Look at this trading floor monitor. Financial media weaponizes your fear to get clicks. Market crashes, recession fears, stock plunges. These headlines are designed to keep you watching. They are not designed to help you build wealth. Scary news generates more revenue than boring growth. Being scared of news is like avoiding driving. You only watch car crash compilations all day. The crashes are real, but not the whole story. Step 1 is accepting a brutal truth. Perfect timing does not exist for you or anyone. Research from Charles Schwab proves this point clearly. They tracked an investor with the worst luck imaginable. He bought on the highest price day every year. He did this for 20 consecutive years. Look at the stagnant line for cash. Our unlucky investor still crushed the cash saver. Even with terrible timing, he built massive wealth. Timing matters much less than you think. The market trend is always upward over decades. Waiting for a dip usually means missing the gains. Say this out loud right now. I will never perfectly time the market. Nobody can predict the next crash or rally. If you wait for clarity, you wait forever. The only way to win is to participate. Accept that your timing will likely be imperfect. Time in the market is the only metric. Perfect timing is a myth sold to amateurs. Professional traders fail at it every single day. Your job is to stay invested for decades. The start date is today, not next month. Starting today beats waiting for the perfect moment. Step 2 is setting up your infrastructure. You must follow a strict hierarchy of accounts. First, take your full employer match on your 401k. This is literally free money. It is 100% return instantly. Never leave this money for the company. Next, you need a Roth IRA. This allows your money to grow tax-free forever. Open this at Fidelity or at Vanguard. Both are massive, reputable, and very low cost. The interface is simple and the support is great. Do not overcomplicate this choice of providers. Opening an account takes under 10 minutes. It is easier than ordering a pizza online. There are no minimum deposits to get started. You can open the account with $0. The administrative friction is now completely gone. You have no more excuses to stay paralyzed. These accounts are just empty storage containers. Opening them is your final hurdle to wealth. The container does nothing without the right contents. Now we move to what you actually buy. We are going to make this incredibly simple. Step 3 is your single bullet strategy. Look at this chaotic trading floor. I forbid you from trying to pick stocks. Do not research companies or watch the news. Analysis paralysis will kill your returns before you start. You do not need to find the next Apple. You will buy one single index fund. Specifically, you will buy the ticker VOO, or you can buy the ticker FXAIX. These funds track the S&P 500 index. That is the 500 biggest American companies. It is the gold standard for long-term growth. One purchase buys tiny pieces of everything. You own Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. You are diversified across every major industry. If one company fails, you have 499. This is instant safety through massive scale. No individual stock can ruin your entire portfolio. This is Warren Buffett. He is the most successful investor in history. This is his exact recommendation for most people. He does not suggest complex trading for you. He suggests one simple, low-cost index fund. Follow the advice of a billionaire, not a YouTuber. Complexity is a trap to steal your wealth. The industry wants you to believe investing is difficult. They want to justify their high management fees. Extreme simplicity is your most effective tool. It removes the need for expensive advisors. This simple method outperforms most professional traders. Step 4 is the micro start. Stop waiting until you have $5,000. Invest exactly $50 this week. The dollar amount does not matter right now. We are building the habit of a winner. Starting small removes the fear of being wrong. Now, find the automation or recurring tab. Set a transfer for $50 every month. Make it happen the day you get paid. If you do not see it, you cannot spend it. Automation removes your weak human emotions. It takes the decision out of your hands. Your first purchase will feel very terrifying. It will also feel incredibly boring and anticlimactic. That is exactly how a good system feels. Investing should not be exciting like a casino. It should be as boring as watching grass grow. Do it anyway, and do not look back. This automated habit is your path to wealth. Consistency beats intensity every single time. $100 a month grows into a fortune. Automation ensures you keep buying during every dip. You become a systematic wealth-building machine. Human hesitation is now permanently removed from this. Step 5 is your psychological contract. The stock market will absolutely crash again. It is a feature of the system, not a bug. You must be prepared for red numbers today. Panic is the primary reason why poor people stay poor. They sell at the bottom and buy at the top. Write these 4 rules on a piece of paper. Rule 1. I will not sell when prices drop. Rule 2. I check my portfolio once a month. Rule 3. I keep buying regardless of the news. Rule 4. Every crash in history has fully recovered. Sign your name at the bottom of the page. Your survival depends on these pre-made rules. Human emotion during a crash is incredibly toxic. It will force you to make catastrophic mistakes. Your signature is a promise to your future self. Keep the paper where you can see it daily. Read it when the headlines get loud and scary. You now possess the exact system to wealth. The blueprint for your financial future is ready. If you follow these steps, you stop being a bystander. You will own a piece of the global economy. The choice to execute is the only thing remaining. Action is the bridge between knowledge and actual wealth. Think about Daniel one more time. He stopped being afraid and automated $200. Over 30 years, that grows into $200,000. He did not need to be a financial genius. He just needed to stop waiting for permission. His simple consistency paid off in a massive way. What has been your biggest excuse until now? Is it fear of loss or just total confusion? Drop your honest answer in the comments below. I read every single one of your responses. Let us discuss the barriers keeping you on the sidelines. Your transparency helps others realize they are not alone. You never needed to be an expert to win. You only needed a system that removes your fear. Stop waiting for the perfect day to start. Next, your 9-to-5 job is a major risk. I will show you how to build backup income. Stay tuned to protect your financial future.